What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create custom video in WWE 2K26. So first go to creation section, then scroll here and select video. Under it we need to select new. If you have your previous video, then select edit and you can start editing on that project. First I want to create my new video. For that I'll select new. Now we have this interface where we can customize or edit our videos. So first on the top right side we have video clip, cutscene and image animation. So if you select video clip, then you can select the video you want to import on your project and then they will be added in your saved clips, and you can select the saved clip from here and import it on your timeline. So saved clips act as your library from where you can select the video clips and import them on your timeline. The timeline at the bottom is where your full video comes together. Anything you add here is what will play on the big arena screen during your entrance or victory. Now the timeline is divided into 3 layers: top, middle and bottom. The bottom layer acts as the background, the middle layer sits above the background and the top layer appears in front of everything else. If multiple clips play at the same time, the one placed on the top layer will be visible. The clips on the lower layers will stay hidden behind it. Each clip on the timeline has a duration bar that shows how long it plays. Dragging the bar to the left makes the clip start earlier. Moving it to the right makes it start later. Stretching the bar increases how long the clip plays. Shrinking it makes the clip end sooner. You can also place clips across different layers at the same time. This allows multiple clips to play together on the screen. So let's say I want to add video clip. For that I'll just select video clip from here. Select the video clip preset, alpha mask preset or Titantron. So I want to add Roman Reigns Titantron in my video. For that I'll select Titantron and then select the Titantron preset. So it will be of Roman Reigns. I'll just go to R. So here it is. I'll just select it and now we can trim our video. First we need to press RT or R2 to move forward in our video. Now to trim it from start, press left on your D-pad and then press A or cross, and now a start point will be added. Now move forward by pressing RT or R2. Now we need to press right on our D-pad to add a end point, then press A or cross, and now the video will be selected between these positions. Now accept it by pressing main menu button or options button, and then the video will be encoded and it will be added in your saved clips, and then you can import it on your timeline. For that just go to saved clips from here, select it and then add it on your top layer, middle layer or bottom layer. So I want to add it on my bottom layer so that if I add an image then it can be added on the top layers and I can see that clearly. If you want to move it on your bottom layer, then press RT or R2 and then you can move it like this. So I want to place it here, select it. Now I want to add image on my timeline. For that we need to go to image animations, select it. Then we can add designs, flags, lettering, mask, arena images, superstars, custom images and group images. So if you have created your custom logo or any design, then you can select custom images and select the custom image you have uploaded in the game, and then you can import it on your video. So I want to add flag. For that I'll just go to flags, then select the flag you want to add. So I'll just select this one and then we can choose the animation for our flag. If you want to get still animation, then scroll down here and we have a still image of this flag. I'll just select it and then the flag will be added here. Just press the accept button in order to import it on our timeline. You can move it however you want and then select the accept button and then the flag will be added in our saved clips. We can again repeat the same process, select the flag and add it on your any of the layer. So I want to add it on my top layer. I'll just select that. Now the flag duration is very small. I want to increase it. For that we have to press X or square and then press X or square again to copy the flag, then press A or cross and the image will be duplicated on your timeline, and that's how you can increase or decrease the duration of your images or videos. Now I want to add a cutscene. For that go to cutscene from the top right corner. Then we have to select the cutscene type. So I want to add victory cutscene. For that I'll select victory and then it will show us the cutscenes. So we have this first cutscene here. So you can go through all of these cutscenes to preview the one you like. So this is the one I want to use. I'll just select it and then we have to choose the superstar whose cutscene we want to play on our video. So we need to go to cast change. So I'll just select edge styles from here and then we need to wait for it to preview on our screen. And now once you're happy with the cutscene, just accept it and the cutscene will be added in your saved clips. Select the cutscene and place it on your timeline. So I want to place this cutscene here, and then now you can see the Titantron is hidden behind this cutscene. Now I want to move this Titantron. For that, press X or square, then we have to press Y or triangle and move it wherever you want. So I want to move it on top layer. I'll just place it here. So I'm just customizing things here just to show you how this editing works. Now to save this video, we need to go to save and then rename your video. So I'll just name it create 1 for the sake of this video, and then select enter, and the video will be encoded in your game. And once the encoding is finished, the video will be saved in your game. Now to use this video, we need to go to creation section, then select entrance, select the superstar where you want to use this entrance video. So I want to use it on AJ Styles. I'll just select him, then select edit, and now it will open the entrance customization menu where we can use this video. So let's just wait for it to load and then go to Titantron movie. After that, press R1 or RB to select custom videos from here, and then select the video you created. So I have created these 3 videos: IND, own video and create one. So this is the one I just encoded. I'll just select it, and then if I wait for it to load, you can see the flag is here, the Titantron is here as well. So this is the process. Just accept the changes and the Titantron or the video for your entrance will be changed. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.